Spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your meals with the Cosori multifunctional electric pressure cooker. With 9 built-in safety mechanisms, feel confident knowing that this all-in-one kitchen appliance can safely operate on its own after programming your desired cooking function and time. This pressure cooker comes ready to go with all the necessary accessories to start cooking, including a steamer rack, ladle, and glass lid. With 15 different cooking programs, the Cosori multifunctional electric pressure cooker allows you to create savory roast, steamed vegetables, decadent desserts, and more. The intuitive control panel makes it easy to set up and start cooking once all of your ingredients are inside the pot. Cooking with the pressure cooker is simple. Prepare your ingredients according to your recipe and place them in the inner pot. The inner pot can also be removed for added convenience. Once all of your ingredients are inside the pot, seal the pressure cooker and select the preset cooking function and cooking time. Then press the start button. The pressure cooker locks in steam while building pressure to increase cooking temperatures. This results in food retaining up to 95% of nutrients and is cooked in half the time it takes compared to other cooking methods. Once your recipe is complete, the Cosori pressure cooker will automatically keep your food warm until you're ready to eat. Just be sure to release any remaining pressure through the safety release valve before opening the pressure cooker. Properly maintain your pressure cooker by washing the lid and removable ring with soap and water. Be sure to dry all parts thoroughly before storing the pressure cooker. Make cooking delicious, healthy, and fun for everyone with the Cosori multifunctional pressure cooker.
Roast, fry, stew, bake, and make casseroles in the Presto electric skillet with glass cover. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and entertaining. It features a generous cooking surface and high sidewalls. The Control Master heat control maintains the proper cooking temperature automatically, and the tempered glass cover makes it ideal for use as a buffet server. A heavy cast aluminum base with premium non-stick finish inside and out assures stick-free cooking and easy cleaning. Even scrambled eggs cook without sticking. Both skillet and cover are fully immersible and dishwasher safe with the heat control removed. Prepare wonderful fish, pork chops, chicken, roast, and stir-fry. Even make deep dish pizza in your Presto skillet. You'll save energy too, because it's more efficient than using a range burner or heating the oven. The Presto electric skillet with glass cover. Available in 11-inch and 16-inch models. The Presto Salad Shooter Electric Slicer Shredder, the easy way to slice or shred vegetables, fruits, cheese, and more. Just point and shoot. Slices or shreds right where you want, with no extra bowls to clean. The salad shooter is easy to use. The interchangeable slicing and shredding cones slip right in. No complicated parts to assemble. Shred cheese for pizza and tacos, potatoes for hash browns, and cabbage for coleslaw. Slice apples, bananas, and more for a beautiful fruit salad or pie in minutes. You'll discover hundreds of uses. Shred cheese for a salad or taco. Slice or shred garden-fresh carrots, beets, zucchini, and turnips for healthy meals and salads. Even grate chocolate, chop nuts, and make bread and cracker crumbs. The Salad Shooter Slicer Shredder is easy to clean too. The motor base wipes clean, all other parts are dishwasher safe. And it's compact for easy storage. Fits most anywhere, even in a drawer. The fast and convenient way to make delicious salads, soups, pizzas, tacos, desserts, and more. The Presto Salad Shooter Electric Slicer Shredder. Professional model also available.